All right. I'm hoping that it works now. Please, please, please work. I connected to a range extender, and so let's see if this actually works. I hope it does. If not, I'm going to have to give up for today. So hello again. Hello, hello. I'm going to just chill out on YouTube for a few minutes before going live on TikTok. I want to make sure this works. Hello, Pedro. Hello, Lou, Julian. This is really frustrating. Thank you for bearing with me. Hello, Darren. What's up, Slice O Butter? I know it says of butter, but slice of butter. Hopefully we're good. What network am I using? 2.4 or 5.1? I don't know. What network am I using? You think we'll see H bar at 30 cents again? Let's see H bar. Where's H? Can't find. Oh, here we go. 32.9 cents. I would assume that it would go to 30 cents. Yeah. Yes, sir. Well, no trouble yet. Do you believe that the price drop is over for Bitcoin and now we'll start an upside trend? We are not entirely out of the woods yet. I would feel, all right, it's September 27th. My prediction for September was a $45,000 close. That was my prediction on August 6th. And I think we'll be within $2,000 of there, give or take. So we'll be a little bit higher than there, but we could dip between now and the end of the month for sure. So we'll see. I can't wait for this month to be over. I cannot wait for September to be over. Radical on Coinbase. I don't know anything about Radical. Any of those coins that get listed on Coinbase, chances are I don't know about them. Thank you, Jad. Am I still bullish on the end of the year? Yeah. Am I second guessing myself? Here's what I'll say. I'm just paranoid. I'm paranoid about my blind spots. Every bit of analysis that I've done seems to communicate to me that we're going to go much higher. But what if I'm wrong? You know, I can't say with 100% certainty. Nobody should ever say with 100% certainty that something's going to happen in crypto, in stocks. And so I'm never going to say 100%. I'm sorry. But my level of confidence is very high that October is going to be a good month. November is going to be a good month. And since July, I called the bottom in July. I said August would be good. I said September would be flat. I mean, so far so good. So, I love the way, yeah, thank you. I saw that. The closer you are to your extender, you want to be on 5 gigahertz. All right, I'll look into that, Lou. I do have some issues with my 5G. So, yeah, I'm still bullish. If Litecoin 10x, I'm trusting you forever. What about if it 20x's or 30x's? How about that? Because I see a future where that could happen with Litecoin. I'm not kidding when I say Litecoin could be the next Doge. Now, Doge 100x. I don't think Litecoin is going to 100x. But are you into any NFT projects? Not really. I mean, I own 2 NFTs, and it's just not for me. Thank you, Slice of Butter. What are your thoughts on extended cycles? I believe in them to an extent. But, I mean, think about this. The first halving was in November of 2012, and then we peaked in November of 2013. There's 1 year. The second halving was in July of 2016, and then we peaked in December of 2017. There's a year and a half. The last halving was in May of 2020, and I think we'll peak in December, January, something like that. So it extends, another extended cycle. So I believe it like that. I don't believe that we're going to have an extended cycle to the extent where we peak in 2023, something like that, you know? Are you having doubts because you worry others will laugh at you for being wrong, or is it something else? I'm not worried about people laughing at me. I mean, I have my doubts because I've been in this market long enough, and my doubts are small. My doubts are the correct amount of doubts. I am very confident we're going higher. So that's a wrong question. Am I having doubts because, like, I have the amount of doubts that I should have. Anyone who has fewer doubts than I have is deluded. So, is it possible to use Ethernet? Not where I am, unfortunately. If you have any about your Wi-Fi, message me anytime. All right. Network admin. Thank you, Lou. Okay, so this seems to be going well, which means I am going to go live on TikTok. We'll try to go live again. And I hope it continues to go well. But as always, I'll be prioritizing the YouTube chat. So, okay. 3, 2, 1, live on TikTok. What about Dogecoin? Bro, tell me about XRP. Why are you answering my question? What's up, Bear Effects? Crypto Dabber, hello. I'm going to try this a second time. I tried and failed before. Live on YouTube, prioritizing the YouTube chat. Do you think as more money flows into crypto, there could be a possibility that we don't see a blow-off top and just more distributed tops like back when it peaked at 64K? Yeah, that's on my radar. I could see that happening again, which means that $200,000 wouldn't happen. But you know, it would be much easier to pick that out, I think, to identify a top like that. Do you collect NFTs? I have 2 NFTs. They've both decreased in value. I'm just not really big into NFTs. Up or down? Ask me in October. October up, big time. September, we could go down over the next few days, but I think we'll close a little bit higher than where we are now. RIP Doge? No, not quite. Price prediction for October. Oh, hey, what's up? What in the Houdini? I hate you. I say that half tongue in cheek. You're just so annoying, man. I'm not going to give you a price prediction for October. I don't hate you, though, but you are pretty annoying. Can I put you on a Grail NFT that launches in 4 hours? On to a Grail NFT. I'll look it up. Is BNB worth holding? I think so, yeah. How long do you think a bull run will continue after October? Seen a lot of people saying bull run end in November. I mean, we could have a bull run till May of next year. So, am I being too mean? What's up, Nicky Nito? If I'm being too mean, what in the Houdini? Forgive me. It's just your comment on my video. I was obviously not serious when I was saying 178 time that China has banned crypto, and I thought your comment was just a little annoying. So, you seem to think that you've been right, and you know, I mean, we've both the annoying thing what in the Houdini is that we've both been right. Like, I remember you said we'd go up to 50K and then go down, and I've been right too. It's like, so October we'll see who's right. What do you think about Cosmos? I like Quant more. Can you repeat that 2023 extended peak? What do you mean? There are some people who believe that we're going to peak in 2023. I'm not one of those. So am I still going all in end of September? Yeah, I have like $2,000 left to put in. So if we don't see another dip into the 30s, I'm just going to put it in. Cool stuff on the web. I'm doing well. Yeah, so far we're both right. But yeah, October, we'll see. All right, 2.5 Solana to mint. I'm not going to spend 2.5 Solana. All right, 30K Discord members. Is the bottom in? I made a video last week saying that the bottom was, that was the bottom, and then I second guessed myself last week as well, but so far that was the bottom, 39.6K. Ay. Oh, get away from me. I was wondering what price you expect Cardano to be at in October. Back to $3 or so. How much money do I have? I don't know. You want my social security number? The market is really boring at the moment, that's for sure. Yeah, I mean, I've been saying close flat, you know? I've been saying that we're going to close flat. That means boring, so... Elohim, I mean, maybe not, you know? Yeah, I see questions about VET. Why is VET underperforming? Why is VET doing badly? You know, check out Crypto Mason. He made a video about VeChain, and there's some concerns with VeChain, but like I'm not worried about VeChain at all. I might have to revise my prediction, but I'm bullish on VeChain. Thoughts on Radix? Don't know enough. Yeah, boring means buying time. When do you think the crash will happen? I mean, I think we're gonna peak at the end of this year or early next year. And then I think we're gonna crash after that. So I have $2,000 Litecoin, ETH, or Solana. Between those three, I'd say Litecoin and ETH. When you mean revise your prediction, do you mean down or up? Down for sure. So I've been saying VeChain to $1. I mean, all this stuff with China CBDCs is like, you know, maybe it won't go that high. Good entry for Litecoin now. Under 150. Where's Litecoin right now? It's at 147. I'd say now's a good time. Thank you. Oh, user, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Thank you. Theta, $50. You going to cash out on the way up? Or certain dollar values? I mean, if things play out the way that you think it's playing out, then I'll probably convert everything to Bitcoin and ETH. But if it plays out the way I think it's playing out, I will absolutely cash out on the way up. Thank you so much, Jennifer. I will definitely cash out on the way up. I mean, my plan is if Bitcoin hits an all-time high again, which I think it will in late October, early November, something like that, then I think, thank you, JJ Mags, then I'm gonna cash out 10% of my portfolio around that time. I don't like Shiba. Bitcoin all-time high in October. All right, so here's my October prediction. I think we're gonna hit $60,000 in October. So, you know, it's like, and some of you are probably going to be really skeptical of me saying that, but you were also skeptical when I said that I thought Bitcoin was going to go back down to its 20-week simple moving average, which it did. You know, that was when Bitcoin was at $53,000. I was saying it's going down to its 20-week simple moving average, which was at $42,000 at the time. Jay Barger, there's no app without fees. I'm sorry. Avalanche, AVAX. I'm sorry. Like, all right, 67.86. I don't know. I don't have a prediction for AVAX. Thank you, Jennifer. Can you donate me $10? I don't know what you heard about me. Let's see. What do you think of Rary government's token? Rarible.finance. Yeah, man. Very bullish on that. Thank you, Just Passing Time. Thank you, Jennifer. Sold all my Bitcoin and ETH to buy at a lower price. What do you think? Heard bear market is near. I think that was either a really smart move or a really dumb move. So here's, oh my goodness, Colorado Blue. I see your comment. There's no way I'm going to be able to keep up with all the comments here. I am live on YouTube. I am able to keep up with everything there. So I think it's a mistake for you to have sold your Bitcoin and ETH. I don't think it's going much lower. I think it's going to go much higher this year. I don't, and however far down it's going to go, I just don't think it's going to go that much lower. Like 38,000 would be the absolute bottom in my opinion. There are people who disagree with me, including maybe somebody who's in here now. So, all right. Everything on sale. Let's see, buying some Algo, XRP, and ADA today with low prices. I think that's a good idea, Jack. Do you think CVO Crypto's XRP prediction is exaggerated, or is it possible for this bull run $30? I have learned to trust CVO Crypto. That seems like way too high for me, but he's been spot on, man. Thank you. Jad, yeah, the Safe Moon video for sure. That's one of my favorites. That one got a ton of views, especially when Safe Moon was pumping, but Safe Moon has been awful. All right, what about an app that has the lowest fees? It just depends. It depends on the dollar amount that you put in. So, yes, Crypto Hustler. The lowest fees. All right, so the dollar, let's say you buy $10,000 worth of crypto. Like Coinbase Pro is probably your best bet. If you buy $100 worth of crypto, I would say Voyager. And use my referral code ALE749. ALE749, get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. So XRP top, I think $8 to $10. El Salvador's propping up the Bitcoin price. Like on Bitcoin Day, remember the day that El Salvador launched Bitcoin transactions or launched that law? It dumped really hard. So you mean that? That's what you mean? Is this a bear market? Not yet. I don't think so. I think we're still in a bull market. RGT is at $23. When should I buy? I have no idea what RGT is. Sorry. What altcoin do you think will jump a substantial amount beside Litecoin? Holochain, Wink, Omi, Lee. Okay. Well, we're blow off top time. Do you have a price prediction for FTM? No, I don't. Sorry, just higher. Are you invested in ZIL? If so, what are your thoughts? I'm not invested in Zilliqa. Sorry. XLM end of the year. I'm going to go into early next year, $2 to $3. Besides Bitcoin and Ethereum, what was the last coin you bought and why? Thank you, Jennifer. It was Litecoin, or was it VXV? It was either Litecoin or VXV. VXV reminds me a lot of Quant with their tokenomics and all of that. What's my most sleeper crypto? I mean, given the amount that we talk about VXV and Quant, there are very few holders. There's like 20,000 holders of each of those. So can we expect a 25% Bitcoin drop? I don't think at this point, no. But there will be plenty of 20. RGT's rare governance token. Okay, if that's rareable, then I'm definitely in favor of that. Thank you, user, etc., etc., etc. Double tap that screen, y'all. I can send myself likes, believe it or not. So I did not end up selling my Hex. No, I'm just gonna hold on to it. All right, let's see. Thank you, Laz. Thoughts on Harmony One? Not really on my radar all that much. Thank you for those likes, everybody. ADA tanking after Summit. Why? ADA's doing fine. You know, by crypto standards, it's doing fine. Thank you, Pilot Colvin. GRT seems low. How high do you predict? I don't have a prediction on graph. Sorry. Some are saying portfolio should 10x from October to early 2022. Agree. I mean, not Bitcoin. Definitely not Bitcoin, but not Ethereum. I don't plan on buying Pulse Chain. But there are definitely there's some cryptos that I think could 10x from now to early 2022. Trader Joe coin? What? No, I know nothing about Trader Joe coin. Isn't Plan B stock to flow model saying we have to close 45K this month? He said 43K, and I think it just has to be at 43K at some point in the month, which might be a cop out. But Plan B also says we have to hit 63K next month. And then I think 96K in November. So if a little dip here, 42K, 40K, maybe. I just think October is going to be good. I'm not worried about the last few days of September, wherever it goes. Chainlink end of cycle $100. Thoughts on XDC? Bullish on XDC. I don't have a price prediction. I think it's going to outperform XLM and XRP on the way up. Yeah, early 2022, I'll probably be 60% withdrawn by then. Yeah. Again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now. Hop on over to YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin, and I will gladly answer every question there. The chat is way too hot right now on TikTok. So let's see. Do you like DAG? I don't know enough about DAG. I still need to do research on it. Do you think we can still reach all-time highs even though many of the Bitcoin miners are still down? I think we can. Here's the biggest thing I'm paying attention to. Bitcoin illiquid supply. We reach all-time highs in Bitcoin illiquid supply on a regular basis. Right now, we're at an all-time high in Bitcoin illiquid supply. That is very bullish. I'd like to see Quant do something similar to AVAX. Quant does what Quant does. I am just along for the ride. That's my answer to every Quant question. In the last week, RGT low 14, but I'm at the moment $31, and it's at 23 right now. Buy now or wait. Man, you want me to give you advice on a crypto that I'm just not following at all. I think cryptos in general are buy now, or now's a good time to buy. When will we be in a bear market? I think sometime in 2022. Good evening, Jay. What's up, Osgod? Trader Joe coined his first DEX on AVAX. Excellent. You're welcome, Tata. Any update on Bull Run? It's still on. I mean, September's flat. Favorite stablecoin to hold? USD coin. Maha, I have not heard of it. You think Bitcoin will go up from here down to 38K? I think we're closing. My prediction for September close is $45,000. And I've been holding on to that since... I've been holding out to that prediction since August 6th. All right, $1,000, 1 to 3K on Quant, Litecoin, or Solana, or Diversify. I would say Diversify. But right now, I would say Diversify between Quant and Litecoin. Which coins do you think will 10x? I think a lot of them. VeChain, no, not VeChain. Maybe not VeChain anymore. But Litecoin, Holochain, what else? I don't know. Zill ever going to $1? I think so, yeah. AMP, I think AMP will 10x. What happens if the U.S. regulates crypto? Short-term pain. Long-term, that can be good. Thoughts on SHIB? Trash, not a fan. What do you think of Litecoin end of year might be? January, I'm saying $1,500, or maybe a little later than that. How do you get XRP out of Coinbase if and when you want to sell? If not relisted, you could probably transfer it somewhere else. I would assume so. How safe is my money in crypto.com? I think that's one of the safest, J. Scott Ward. Yeah. Link end of the year, end of cycle, $100. Crypto has no value, then get out of here. Get the hell out of here. If crypto has no value, boomer, you're probably like a 12-year-old. You're either a 12-year-old or a boomer, something like that. Do you like Link more than Dot? Yes, but I like Dot short term more than Link. Do I like Sushi? I like any platform coins. Any platform coin I'm going to be a fan of. So ADA future prediction, same level as Quant. I think $8 for ADA. That's a less than a 4x. Colorado Blue is a boomer. Okay. Oh, late boomer. Late bloomer? I don't know what you're saying. Again, I've looked at Pokedex a little bit. I don't have any price predictions. But guys, I'm live on YouTube. Goober, I see your question. I'm live on YouTube. Why am I so confident in the second leg of the bull run? That's going to take me too long. I mean, you can watch my videos and get my perspective on that. On-chain analytics is super bullish right now. On-chain analytics, and the fact that we are lining up perfectly over these last 3 months. We have lined up perfectly with 2013 and 2017. So AVAX just not really on my radar all that much. Sorry. Joshua McDonald, Doge. I still think Doge to $1. I think it'll I don't know enough about Cody. Doge to $1. If Bitcoin gets it to six figures, which I think it will, then Doge will go to $1 in my opinion. Have you heard anything about a specific date that VXV will be listed on KuCoin? I haven't, no. Is ETH dropping to 2,700? It certainly can. I just don't know what to say about these last few days of the month. I'm bullish on October. In October. Super bullish in October. Still bullish on ICP short term, yes. Why do you think Litecoin is going to pump so much? Check out my tagged video on TikTok. You and James Altucher have been great crypto mentors for me. Thank you, Laz. I don't know who that is. Any update on my course? Just passing time. Sorry, nothing. VChain going to dollar mark and bull run, do you think? I'm a little bit less confident about that now. Cake price prediction, $100. End of cycle, not end of the year. HBAR will 10x, I guess, by end of the year. HBAR, nah. I mean, I don't think so, but sure. If you think so. You like AMP to $1 or 10x, $1? Solana, guys, end of year. I'm not going to say end of year because I think most things are going to peak in 2022, in early 2022. And say Solana, so Solana, I mean, you know, I said $200 when it was at 25 in July. So maybe now I need to say, like, is it? I can't picture that being the peak. 400, 600, something like that. Is Litecoin the best buy right now? In my opinion, it is. Was there anything in the past to suggest on-chain analytics? Oh, what's up, OC Pet Doctor? Was really strong before a big correction. Here's what I'll say to answer your question. I compare on-chain analytics right now to 2018, right after Bitcoin peaked. Right after Bitcoin peaked, on-chain analytics looked awful. They just looked awful. It was clear. It was clear with on-chain analytics that it was over. Right now is a night and day difference with 2017, with 2018, 2017 into 2018. Saitama, don't know enough. Coinbase debit card, just got the opportunity to sign up. I like doing stuff like that. I would prefer a credit card over a debit card, but yeah, that's fine. You're welcome, J. Scott Ward. Thank you so much. Scale, I don't know anything about Scale. Theta to $50 or so. Don't know much about crypto, but have 1,000 to play with. What do you suggest about audio? I have no price predictions on audio. I am still bullish on XRP, $8 to $10. Oh, better off playing slots than investing in crypto. Yeah, man, cool. EOS end of cycle, I don't have one. All right, sorry, there's a lag on YouTube again. I am going to end the YouTube live stream. Sorry about that.